SmartMicroScope Gooseneck Stand. We're going to begin by unboxing the gooseneck stand and taking a look at the components. The first thing you'll find in the box is the assembly instructions. It's very straightforward. It's a very simple process. So you simply pull out all of the components and unpack them. You will see that these are the primary components. You'll see that these two pieces slip right together, and you thread this and you ensure that it slides through the first piece and is threaded through the second side. So you get it relatively firm, and then you move on to the next threaded portion. And you want to thread this a good portion of the way, but you want to look through and make sure that it has not gone all the way through, because this needs to slip onto this gooseneck rod. We remove the rubber tip and slip that clamp right on and then tighten it up. Then you put your smart microscope into the clamp and you are good to go.